Hola! Vectorizing 101 for kinda complex vectorizing. Let's see. Okay, let's see. So a customer emailed me this. I'm just gonna vectorize this because this is the same background. Just copy. You can make a new document. I would name your document immediately, so in case it crashes. And I only want this right now. So I'm just gonna crop it. Go over here, make sure it's selected. See, not selected, selected. These are little nodes, these black thingies. And I just zoom in. You can only vectorize all the hard lines, so like that shadow is not called vectorizing. Uh, Cropped it, and then I click on the image. Oh yeah, when you click on the image, you have to go to the pointer tool, this thing here. Right click, and lock it. It's so then I can't, by accident, move it. So, first we're going to do the inside. Actually, let me show you the cheating way, which is not going to come out good. I unlock. You have to click the exact edge to unlock it, and then click unlock. But so I unlocked it. See, if I right click on any JPEG and hit quick trace, it will do it, but it won't be very good. I mean, unless it's a high resolution image. This is not. See, look crazy. So if you hit Control Z to undo, but we're gonna go back to vectorizing block. So then, why I said to learn the star, because then if you use a square tool, take a square, right click on it, curves. Because if you have a square, rectangle, whatever this shape is, if it's not in curves, it will not let you do this trick. Then you get to the second tool here, this here, I don't even know what it's called. Better check, what is it called? Shape tool, okay. See, I can't, it gives you a different, see how it like has these dotted lines? This is solid lines, but by being solid lines, I can manipulate the shape. So you're just tracing, it's just fancy tracing. See, if I try to do this, it'll like, just do the corners. So you just go to the edges. Okay, that is essentially kind of the shape. So then if you right click in the middle, and you click right click to curves, this will allow you to make a curve. Okay, and then same thing here, right click, curve. Try it always in the middle. If you go to the side, it'll give you a different view. Disregard this, we will fix that in a few. Right click, curves, there, right click. As long as it's a straight line, you can do curves. But if you want to undo the curve, it happens if you need to undo something. You go, see, it goes back to a straight line. Right click, curve. We want to do this. So you kind of have the overall shape, but you have these weird angles here. So if you double click in the middle, and then one, you could do the middle, but it might shift. So I'm going to put one close to here, double click. So you add, these are called nodes, and they allow you to move, but we're not doing that. Remember, undo is Control Z. Okay, I'm going to put another one here. Right. So I'm going to get, by double clicking on it, it allows you to remove it too. Or you can right click and delete, but that's so slow. So if you double click, see, it's gone. I'll do right click, delete. That's just too much work. Right click, delete, double click, it's faster. There's your shape. That is vectorizing 101. Okay. What did I show you? let me undo it so you can see what happens if you don't put the nodes where I said. Okay, if I click this, this is gonna be wonky. Essentially, they're anchors to wherever you click. So if I click here, look, it's gonna shift. See, it's not in that corner anymore. And if I go here, it's gonna do something great. See, and undo, undo. But same thing up here. If I do that, see, it shifts. So that's why you have to put a node here. Kind of anchors it down. Another one here. Oh. How you know there's one? Even if there's a black dot, does not mean there's a node. It's when you see, like if you double click, see now it's blue. Then delete this one. One over here. There. One there. You cannot have a nut. I mean, you don't want to be crazy and putting them everywhere, but every vectorizing job is slightly different. So that's the basic principle, and then you do that whole thing. Yeah, I'll send you the same file so then you can fiddle with it. So you can compare apples with apples. And I would save it every once in a while. You don't want to move it, so you're going to highlight everything, click drag, go. And I'll make one for you. Save it, and I'll email you this.